Hello everybody, Chris here, and today we're going to be talking about Google Docs, and I'm going to try to explain to you how Google Docs saves files. Where do these files go, and how does it tie in with Google Drive, the cloud storage solution for Google? Before we get into this tutorial video, if you would like to donate to support the channel, you can do so at patreon.com/ChrisTutorials. That put aside, let's go ahead and talk about Google Docs. Now, Google Docs is a word processor solution which you can use on your mobile devices or from a web browser even, which is really cool. You don't even have to necessarily install anything. And whenever you go ahead and start a new document within Google Docs, you're actually creating a new file on your Google Drive space. You can only use Google Docs when you actually have a Google account, since they're tied in one in the same system, your Gmail, your Google Drive. That's really all in one. So you would be able to see any of the documents you've previously created or saved on your drive, which gives you 15 gigabytes of free storage space, as you can see here, by going to drive.google.com. Of course, you can check out the other apps. Gmail would be gmail.google.com or just gmail.com, and Google Docs would be docs.google.com. You can see here that we've already actually created a default resume file on Google Docs and didn't edit it at all, but I did create it within Google Docs out of one of the templates. Now that we've started a new document, if I was to go ahead and start typing in anything here and back off from the page, it would become a new document on the Google Drive. So whenever you're working in Google Docs, it's saving your files to the Google Drive, which is online storage space hosted by Google for you to upload and synchronize your files with. So let's go ahead and create some generic text here to demonstrate how it saves. So we have text that's been added, and you can see up here, at least you could for a split second, that it said it was saving. Google Docs has an autosave feature. Whenever you create a file, whenever you make changes to it, it's going to save those changes to the Google Drive. It's going to be creating and saving your file right here on my drive. Now, this was put into the default folder. You don't have to have them in the main drive folder. You can, of course, create new folders by going to new folder, drag and drop them into the folder. It's pretty simple. And you can also do the same within the file menu. So we can move this into a folder and put it in the folder we want. Now you can see here that although I made a change to the file location inside of drive.google.com, the docs.google.com already knows about that. It already sees that it's in the Untitled folder that we created. So Google apps are always in sync with each other. The apps are always checking the server to see if there were any changes made to your drive and the files on it. An even cooler example of this is if you are working on a document in Google Docs that's shared across multiple people for work purposes or other reasons, and somebody makes a change to the document, other people are going to immediately know about it, and you can even see as people make changes to the document. And that's just one of the cool things about Google Docs. So if you want to see more Google Docs tutorial videos, I'll be getting more into it, how it works, and what you can do inside of it. Be sure to subscribe. I've been Chris. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.